All right, the last section of 1.6a, the last section of vocabulary in those anatomical regions section is patellar through vertebral. Okay, so patellar is the knee. It's got to be the front of the knee. There's a different name for the back portion of the knee. So patellar is knee. So patellar dislocation, dislocated knee. Pectoral is not in textbook. P-E-C-T-O-R-A-L. Pectoral refers to the chest on either side of the breastbone. So this is pectoral, pectoral. Everybody here has a pectoralis major and pectoralis minor set of muscles. Pectoralis major muscles are here, otherwise known as your pecs. Okay, pedal is pronounced pedal, not pedal, but it is an easy way to remember it. The pedal region is your foot region in general. Okay, pelvic. The pelvic region, if you take your finger and you put it on your belly button, above that is your abdominal region, but below that is your pelvic region. Okay, so from now on, if you have pain below your belly button, please don't ask for a pass to go see the nurse because your stomach hurts. It's your pelvic region that hurts. Okay, next, plantar. Plantar is the flat portion of your foot. There is a disorder, a very painful disorder called plantar fasciitis, in which the lining, the wrapping of the muscles in the plantar region become inflamed, and it's very, very painful. Okay, so it's the flat portion or the bottom portion of your foot. Pollex is your thumb. Just like hallux is your great toe, pollex is your thumb. Sacral. The sacral region is just below the lumbar region. So if the lumbar region is those five, if you remember those five vertebrae back here that make up your lower back, the sacral region is just below that. So kind of right behind your belt, in between your coxal regions. So you put your hands on your coxal regions and then move your hands to the middle. Right there is your sacral region. Okay, next, sternal is not in the textbook. Sternal is your breastbone. It is the bone is technically called the sternum, and that is the bone to which the majority of your ribs attach via cartilage. So this is your sternum or your breastbone. Sural. Sural, as I said earlier, is related to crural. Crural is your shin. Sural is your calf. So when I'm walking to the camera, you're going to see my crural region. When I walk away from the camera, you're going to see my sural region. Okay? Next, tarsal. Just like carpals are your wrist bones in the wrist region, tarsal are your ankle bones. Okay? An easy way to remember that is you steer a car with your carpals, but you walk out on the asphalt tar with your tarsals. Okay? Tarsals, again, are the ankle bones or ankle region. Thoracic deals with your chest. So just as you put your finger on your belly button, we've got abdominal region here, pelvic region here. The thoracic region is anything enclosed by your rib cage, anything enclosed by your costal region. Okay, so thoracic, like a cardiothoracic surgeon, she operates on the chest and the heart. Umbilical, fancy way of saying your belly button. So here's the umbilical region. And last but not least, this word is not in the textbook. Not sure why, but it's the vertebral region or the spinal region. The vertebral region goes from the base of your skull all the way down to the base of your spine. That's your vertebral column, vertebral region. And it is made up of the cervical region, the thoracic spine, the lumbar spine, the sacral spine, and the coccyx. The coccyx is your tailbone. Okay? That's it.